Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the image quality of your photos in the Xiaomi 12c. So let's start. Open the camera app, then go to the three line button and choose settings. Now look for the picture quality, choose your desired one. If you take a low, the photo will take less space on your phone. If you take a high, it will take more, but the photo should be more quality. And there's a difference between these photos. In details you can see there you have a 1 mega photo, and with the low quality we have only 300 kilobytes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.